Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 27, 2023. One star Sudoku. Column I, column J. We have pair numbers 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 6th grid, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. 3rd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then the column H, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 2, 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 5. 5th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 4th row, on 2nd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 2nd row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 6. Column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column I, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 8th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, 6th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 2, 6. Column B, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th row, only 1 number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, 2nd row, we have pair numbers 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 2nd grade and 8th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 9, 3. 3rd row, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, only 1 number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th grade, only 1 number is remaining 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 7th row, only 1 number is remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 6. 6th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 10th row, 4th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 3rd row, only 1 number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. 2nd grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then we can confirm. 2nd grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 2nd grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 2nd grade, only 1 number is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 9. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 8th grade, only one numbers are remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.